Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to ban the Instagram ID with mobile by using the Termux without any Kali Linux. So let's start. First we need to update the Termux. For that we will be using apt get update and press enter. Here it will be started and the Termux terminal will be get updated. And then next we will be upgrading the terminal by tapping apt get upgrade, and after that you will be entering. For that you need to continue yes, and it continues and it takes time. Make sure that your internet should be strong, and here it continues and after that all the files will be downloaded. It continues and then next here you need to tap enter. After that it finishes. Finally the terminal will be upgraded, and then here we need to install the pip. For that apt install python 3. After installing the python, then we need to next install the toolkit. By that we can do the reporting of the Instagram account. To install the toolkit, first we need to follow some commands. By entering the following commands, we can install the toolkit in the Termux. For that, first we need to copy this git clone command, where you can install all the repositories from the GitHub account into the Termux. All the files will be downloaded into the Termux. After that, we have to know let me wait for to complete all the receiving details, and then next first we need to activate the current toolkit. For the common directory SocialMediaHackingToolkit. After that we will be using the common directory cmd. After that copy it and paste it in the Termux, enter. Then next follow the next command. For now we are installing all the requirements by using the pip3. Copy it and paste it in the Termux. Then here all the requirements will be installed in the Termux, and then next follow the next command, copy it. Now we are going to the previous directory. For that we have to press cd space dot. This will make you that come to the previous directory from the cd directory. Then next we have to change the mode of the linux.sh. Here you can see the file linux.sh. It is a bash file. For that we are to activate that bash file, we are using chmod plus x. After that we have to run the bash file. For that /sh, copy this command and paste in the Termux file and continue. Press enter. Now press enter, and you can see the interface of the SMH toolkit. Here you can see some options like Instagram, Facebook, Gmail. So we are going through Instagram. We are reporting Instagram, so we choose the option 1. Then tap enter, and we're choosing the VPN on, so 1. Then next mass reporting. For the option 2. So select any random username. For that I am entering ethical underscore hacker. Tap enter. Now choose how much amount of you want to mass report. I am pressing enter 10, then enter. Here you can see the process continues. For doing it in the Kali Linux, you need to install VPN. We will be posting next video on this, where you can do it in Kali Linux in PC. Present we are doing it in the mobile, so it takes more time. After completing 10 reports, the process will be ends here. So the process ends here. So we are done with the mass reporting Instagram. And then next, here it stops. So how it works we can see here in this video. To get more this video like this, stay tuned with us. All the videos will be given. Follow our Instagram accounts. Here you can find courses which are related to the hacking. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos like this.